Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Makers Moments, I'm going to help you find the perfect gift for everyone on your list. We believe in gifts that give back. That means gifts that create a shared experience, evoke creativity, or have a philanthropic purpose. With the holidays quickly approaching, DIY kits are a great gift option to give something meaningful and experiential that can be used to make a gift for someone, with someone, or be given to someone to make themselves. And as we focus on spending quality time with our favorite people during the holiday season, DIY kits are an amazing opportunity to encourage even more time spent together. They spark moments of connection and creativity and allow you and your loved ones to enjoy each other's company while learning how to make something new. Wood & Wick Co. DIY kits include all the eco-friendly and sustainably sourced supplies needed to easily make fun fragrance projects like candles, diffusers, soaps, body sprays, and more. Giving the gift of a DIY kit is an amazing way to celebrate life's creative moments with our friends and family while bringing out the inner maker in us all. What's not to love about that? Looking for the perfect gift? Visit www.woodandwick.com to curate your own luxury DIY kits for the holidays. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!